It's all drag brake, and they just driving itself.
They can tell it's keeping us too with the horizon leveling around.
That was all just by itself. Just let go of the throttle, let her walk in. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Keith here, Jesse on the camera, and tonight Jesse and myself are at our new indoor RC rock crawling venue that we put together with our buddy Troy, our buddy Brian, and also with the help of our local hobby shop, Eliminator RC. So big thanks to everybody who's come together. Now let's take a quick look at what we have here. Now a lot of the people in the local community are familiar with the limestone beast in the middle. You might notice it does have a different color to it. Now we went through and painstakingly swept and washed all the dust, most of the dust off the rocks. Then we did give it a soak down with water with a little bit of sticky soda in it to try to help lock some of the dust in. Now all the other low areas we went through with the shop vac and we picked up a lot of it. And this actually worked out really well. We used the Scenic Binder glue, basically carpenter glue, and water and a little bit of dish soap mixed together in a sprayer. We soaked down all the dust areas, trying to keep the dust locked down. This building is sealed up really well, so we're trying to keep dust to a minimum, as it is minus 20 or something and only going to keep going down for the next couple months. So yeah, that's the Rock Beast. So much fun. That's now more of your comp style, or I don't really care about it style. So with that being said, let's talk about the new addition we have here. Troy, myself, Troy and myself built this, don't die. Over the last week. We brought in a couple members of my staff to help. Jesse came in and helped with a little bit towards the end, as Troy and I were actually on holidays, so we were able to pull that off. Anyhow, this is 100 or something feet of foam track. Now it is heavy wooden base. The blocks are, that's 8 inches, right? That's 8, no joking. It's 6-inch blocks of foam that we cut and glued and screwed together. Everything is glued. It has wooden skewers and dowels put through the blocks to hold everything. And then it has a layer of concrete on top, and all the drive areas it is concreted, probably a 1/2 inch, 3/4 thick. A lot of the low filling areas where we know people are going to be hooking a tire, digging and pulling, are loaded down with big wads of concrete. And then we had a bunch of leftover paint, so we painted it with a whole bunch of leftover paint. Found out you can put paint on with a texture gun, so that was kind of cool. Now all the stuff on the wall, there is a concrete base behind, so you can see that we'll clean up nice and easy, and as it goes it will kind of clean up and look a little bit better once the guys start running on it. We figure there's no point scraping it off. It's going to get knocked off and worn as we run down. But anyway, this guy runs through here. We wanted to keep this hard body friendly. A lot of our friends are getting into the scale truck scene, RC 4-wheel drive bodies and such. So this gives them a good 100 foot of play area, all different types of terrain. You got a bridge you can go, or a cliff you can go up here that will have an active waterfall that's going to run all through here back down into a catch basin with a pump back to the top. That is a feature we'll have once we get into the new year 2025. But yeah, you can go up and over, you can go down through the cave, across. Yeah, so anyhow, make sure you guys come check it out. Now let's get some crawling footage. Okay guys, thanks for checking it out. Make sure you swing by Tuesdays, Thursdays, Sundays, Tuesdays and Thursdays, 5 p.m. till 10 p.m. and Sundays, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. 172 Sutherland Avenue, Winnipeg, Manitoba, right outside of the core area, not in Selkirk, Manitoba. We'll see you guys here. Cheers.